Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to be talking about the text formatting, our letter spacing, and fonts. We're going to be talking about fonts. Now we've already talked about the body color, the H1 color, our heading color. Now we are moving to the text alignment. I think I've talked about this, but I want to repeat it. Our text alignment. Let's say we want our H1 to be in um in the center. The text alignment will determine whether the H1 will be right, left, or center. Now, okay, I think we've already done that text alignment here. Okay, we've already talked about that one. So we can also have justify. Our text alignment can also be justify. The justify can only work when we have a lot of text. Maybe in our paragraph, we have a lot of text, so our justify will work there. So let me just put this maybe in the center. Now we also have text transform. Text transform. The text transform you can use text transform maybe for uppercase or your lowercase. Let's use for uppercase. Then you will see that your index.html, your H1 is uppercase. Can you see that? I love coding. Now style.css, let's say lowercase, lowercase. So you can see my I love coding. Everything is in lowercase. My that is my H1. You can also try that for paragraphs. You can just write text transform uppercase, lowercase, and you can see your things in uppercase and lowercase. Now I also have letter spacing. Letter spacing. I'm sorry for the background noise. Letter spacing. The letter spacing, it can be positive and it can be negative. Let me do this letter spacing for this paragraph. I already talked about the positive one. Now let's try the negative one. Let me just add minus, then save it. Go to your index.html and you can see the letter spacing minus. It's because this one is in minus that I can see it's very rough. So I think it's better you put it in positive. Okay, let me just leave it like that. Now we also have our font. How do we input our font in CSS? We've already talked about the Arial. The font can be Arial, and also font can be italic. Font can be italic. Index.html. Maybe you want your font to be in italic form. Um, let me use paragraph text. Oh, I think we made a mistake. This one is font family. The font family is Arial. This font family can be Carrier, it can be Arial. Why we also have something called font style. That's what I want to talk about. Font style. Maybe you want it to be normal or italic. You can see it's already in italic form. So that is what we call text style. You can make it normal and you can make it italic. Now we also have what we call font weight. The font weight, let me go to the paragraphs. Font weight, let me do this in the paragraph. Font weight, maybe you want it bold or normal. So back to the HTML. You can see my paragraph is very bold. So that is what we call the font weight. Now we also have what we call the variant. The variant means font variant, that everything will be in capital letter, but the size will be of different size. So let's say my border and my H1 rather, font variant small caps. Now you can see, go back to our index the HTML. Now you see everything. I think let me cancel this. It's already in lowercase before. Hmm. You can see I love coding. I is a very, it is a big capital letter. Why, you can see the love very small, but it is in capital letter. It is in capital letter. You can see. So this is about the font variant. And if you don't want to use the font variant, you can just use font variant normal. Let's try that also. Font variant. So this is it. This is all about font spacing, font everything, and text formatting. This is all about the font something. So in the next class, we're going to be talking about the how to style your link. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Thank you so much.